Hey everyone, in this video I want to share with you how you can export your whole chat conversation in Gemini. Gemini doesn't really give you an easy way to save your chats. There is actually some kind of way, but it's not the best. It's when you click on those three dots under your last answer and simply click on export to docs, and this is going to create this document where you can see your answer. So if I open this, you can see we have only one answer over here, so it's not your whole chat conversation, and you can export it from here to PDF. So if you click on file, you can click on download, and you have many different options how you can download this. So you can use this as well, but if you want to export whole chat conversation, so for example I want to export every answer, every question, there is actually a way, but we have to use extensions. So if you open a Chrome web store, you want to simply search for Gemini to PDF, and you can find many different extensions which can allow us to do this. So you can search for one which you like. I'm gonna go with this one because this has like 50,000 users and it has over 500 ratings, so I would trust this one. I can click on add to Chrome, then add extension, and we will see it gave us some steps how we can use this. So we want to open Gemini, navigate to conversation, and then simply we should be able to see some purple select button next to the chat, so we can go back to Gemini. And if you don't see it right away, you just want to refresh your Gemini session and you should be good to go. So we can see it over here. And firstly, what you can do, you can simply click on this arrow next to it, and if you click on all, it's going to select uh, all of your answers and questions, so basically the whole conversation. If you want to export it, simply click on this drop down next to the export, and you will get some options. So you can export it as PDF, JSON, CSV, and stuff like that. So if I want to do a PDF, I'm gonna open PDF. Now you have some options, so you can name it, for example. You can add some content file, page format, so you can keep this on A4 if you want to make it A4. You have page margin, so you can play with this how you want. You can also use dark mode if you want. You have font size, font, you can change font. You can, for example, remove page numbers if you don't want to see that. You can remove icons. So this is going to remove like user and Gemini icons in the PDF. So we can keep this and we will see how it's gonna look. Then we can click on generate and it should automatically download the PDF file. So we can see Gemini chat over here. It's PDF. I can open it. And you can see this is in the dark mode. So this is my chat history. I can scroll through this and you can see your whole conversation over here. If you don't like the dark mode or font or something, you can play with it. So if you click on export to PDF, you can play with those settings. Alright, so this is going to be all for this video. I wanted to quickly share how you can download or export your whole chat conversation in Gemini. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.